It is really raining out right now. I don't know where I'm going to put this in my vlog, but I warned yesterday that we're going to get a rainstorm today, like all day long, and it was going to be windy and that all the trees would lose their leaves. This is unusual how hard this rain is coming down right now, so that's why I'm videoing. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but I'm going to take pictures so that, take video so that you can see what I mean when I say that the storms come through in the fall in Maine, and they wipe off all the leaves that are ready to fall. So let me turn this around and let you look at the way the wind is moving the rain as it falls and it hits the ground. You can see it waving off of the driveway. So I don't know if you can see, but the leaves over here on these trees right there, they've been wiped off by the wind, a bunch of them. A lot of people around have lost power. Even if the power goes out here, we won't lose power. We have a generator that kicks on after like 12 seconds, or within 12 seconds. So we'll still have power, but this is actually doing a number on a lot of local people around here right now. It's literally 12:01. It isn't even half the day yet, and this is going to go on through all day and night. Look at the yard, full of leaves. See all the leaves getting blown off and blown around. Let me show you.